1. Sangolli Rayanna was a heroic freedom fighter born in Karnataka, India in 1798, who played a key role in resisting British rule during the 19th century. 2. Rayanna belonged to the Kuruba community and became a prominent leader in the Kittur Principality, known for his courage and dedication to the cause of independence. 3. He fought valiantly against the British East India Company during the Kittur Uprising in 1824, led by Queen Chennamma. 4. Sangolli Rayanna's guerrilla warfare tactics and his knowledge of the terrain made him a formidable opponent for the British forces. 5. After the fall of Kittur, Rayanna continued his struggle, operating from the forests and hills, organizing resistance against the British. 6. He became a symbol of resistance and an inspiration for the local people, leading the struggle against British oppression. 7. Sangolli Rayanna was eventually captured by the British in 1830 and executed, but his bravery and sacrifice left an enduring impact on the freedom movement. 8. His legacy is celebrated in Karnataka, and various monuments and memorials honor his contributions to the fight against colonial rule. 9. Sangolli Rayanna's life story is often recounted in folklore, songs, and local traditions, passing on his legacy to future generations. 10. He is remembered as a true hero who fearlessly stood against injustice, symbolizing the spirit of resistance and patriotism.